Let us know about some different types of birds. Peacock. Peacock is actually the name of male bird of peafowl family. There are three types of peafowls in the world. There are Indian, Congo and green peafowl. Peacock can grow up to 5 feet in length, which make it one of the largest flying birds in the world. The colorful tail feather display of peacock is probably the most beautiful courtship display among bird family. Pigeon. It is a pigeon subspecies that are derived from rock dove. The rock pigeon is world's oldest domesticated bird. Research suggested that domestication of pigeons occurred as early as 10,000 years ago. In war, the homing ability of pigeons has been put to use by making them messengers. They have carried many vital messages. Parrots. There are around 375 different parrot species. Most parrots live in tropical areas. Parrots have curved bills, strong legs, and clawed feet. Parrots are often brightly colored. Parrots are derived to be one of the most intelligent bird species. Some species are known for imitating human voices. Most parrot species rely on seeds as food. Others may eat fruit, flowers, or small insects. Some parrot species can live for over 80 years. Woodpecker. Woodpecker is one of the most interesting types of birds. There are over 200 species of woodpeckers that can be found all around the globe except in Australia, New Zealand, and Madagascar. Woodpeckers live in forests, backyards, and various other types of habitat where trees are available. Size of woodpecker depends on the species. Largest woodpecker can reach 20 inches in length. Smallest woodpeckers are usually 3 to 4 inches long. Woodpeckers are usually red, white, black, and yellow in color. Their plumage can also be combination of orange, green, brown, and golden color. Duck. A duck's feathers are so waterproof that even when the duck dives underwater, the downy underlayer of feathers right next to the skin will stay completely dry. Ducks are omnivorous and will eat grass, insects, seeds, fruit, fish, and other types of food. Ducks have been domesticated as pets and farm animals for more than 5 years, and all domestic dogs are descended from either and mallard of the Muscovy dog. Flamingo. Flamingo is well known and easily recognized bird because of its red-purple colored feather. These birds live in shallow lakes, mangrove swamps, and sandy islands of Africa, Asia, America, and Europe. These birds live in shallow lakes, mangrove swamps, and sandy islands of Africa, Asia, America, and Europe. There are 6 species of flamingos. Flamingos' wingspan ranges from 3.3 feet to 5 feet. During migration, they fly up to 37 miles per hour and travel distance of over 300 miles to reach their new habitat. Crow. As we all know that crows are extremely intelligent birds. They have the largest brain of all birds except for parrots. The body-to-brain ratio of a crow is equivalent of a chimpanzee. This means that is not far off that of humans. Crows have an excellent memory. They have been known to hide food away to save it for later, sometimes moving the food 2 to 3 times, always remembering where it was hidden. Crows can be distinguished from rooks as they have feathers around their thighs and around base of their beak. Owl. There are around 200 different owl species. Owls are active at night. A group of owl is called as parliament. Most owls hunt insects, small mammals, and other birds. Some owl species hunt fish. Owls have powerful claws which help them catch and kill prey. Owls have large eyes and a flat face. Owls can turn their heads as much as 270 degrees. Owls are far-sighted, meaning they can't see things close to their eyes clearly. Eagle. Eagles are large, powerful birds of prey. Eagles have large hooked beaks. Eagles have excellent eyesight. They have powerful talons which help them catch prey. They build their nest on high cliffs or in tall trees. There are around 6 different species of eagle. Saurus crane. It is the tallest flying bird and can grow to 5.9 feet tall. Its wingspan can be up to 8 feet and its weight 8.4 kg. It lives in open wetlands. The Saurus crane is easily distinguished from other cranes in the region by its overall grey color and contrasting red head and upper neck.